Okay. FACT fact has been very helpful in my SAT preparation, especially the workshops. Each Sunday we had a workshop, and each alternate week we had quants, which is math, or verbal, which is English workshops. For example, one week we had verbals, and the next week we'll have quants. So the timing of the workshop matched with the timings of the actual SAT exam, which really helped me get used to the timings and waking up at that time, staying awake, solving questions at that time, and it was really helpful. And along with that, in the workshops we were only given a limited amount of time to solve each question and to solve each section, which helped me get used to the timing and the pattern in which the SAT exam will actually be written, because over there we would be under time pressure, and then when we solve questions we normally just take our own time. But this really helped. And the trainers were also really helpful both in and out of class. They helped clear up each and every doubt I had. Basically, during class, any doubts I had, I would ask the trainers. But even out of class, if I came across any question I was not able to understand, I would just send my doubts to the trainers on Gmail, and they would, email me back with the solution. And if I still didn't understand, then they would explain the relevant concept in the next workshop. Along with all of this, the trainers also gave us lots of information on the practical and technical aspects, such as what calculators to use, what all to take to the test center to ensure that you have your admit card, and those kinds of information. Along with that, each class we also solved many SAT papers, which allowed me to get an idea about what kind of questions come on the SAT and about what topics to focus on, like what my weak spots were. The trainers also shared many different question banks with us, which gave us many resources to use for our own SAT preparation. We also didn't waste any time relearning the things that we already knew. We focused on whatever we felt our weak spots were, and each class we would tell the trainers, if we had doubts in any particular section of the portion, and then they would explain that. The classes were also recorded, so we could re-watch them at any time. The trainers also informed us about which topics have the most weighted in the SAT and which topics we should focus on to maximize our score. Along with this, both Rita ma'am and Beena ma'am have also been very helpful. They have been very active, and anytime there was some technical issue, they would help solve it ASAP. And we had so many questions and so many tests, and just I felt very prepared after attending all these workshops, and it helped me gain a lot of confidence about my own SAT preparation. And I feel that because of the workshop, when I go to write the SAT exam, I won't feel scared about what is to come, because I will have a good idea about what will actually come on the SAT. So all in all, the workshop has been very helpful to me, and I'm very grateful I joined.